We are at the end of row 13. We will finish it and then we will proceed to row 14. This is row 13. So this is 10 chains, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And we fill in this loop with 3 double crochet cluster. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochet cluster, and here we will have 2 chains, 1 half double crochet we join on top of cluster. Okay, then we continue with 3 chains and 2 double crochet for cluster. So this is the first cluster. 5 chains, go to the top of the pineapple for single crochet, and then 4 chains, 1 single crochet into pineapple loop, 4 chains, 1 single crochet. So one single crochet and 4 chains. Single crochet in each loop. The pineapple loop. This is the last. And then we continue with 5 chains. And we fill in the loop here with 3 double crochet cluster, four chains, and another 3 double crochet cluster. Okay. Here we have the big loop. We will have 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains and 1 single crochet into the loop, and again 4 chains, and we will fill in this loop with 3 double crochet cluster, four chains, and another 4 double crochet cluster. 2, 3. 3 double crochet cluster, then here we will have 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like the one below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we just go to the pineapple loop for single crochet. Just continue with 4 chains and 1 single crochet into loop. Four chains, 1 single crochet into loop. Four chains, 1 single crochet into loop. And this is the last loop. Here again we have 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we do the same thing. Here is 6. Here is, we just fill in the loop first with 3 double crochet caster. Four chains and another 3 double crochet caster into the same loop. Okay, here we have 6 chains loop. Okay, this is 6, 2, 4, 6. Here we will have 3 chains and 1 single crochet into loop. 3 chains, and we fill in this loop with 3 double crochet caster, four chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and another 3 double crochet cluster. Okay, here we will have 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just go to the loop for the single crochet and then 4 chains, 1 single crochet into loop. Just continue with 4 chains and 1 single crochet into loop. This is the 3rd pineapple. Four chains, 1 single crochet, 4 chains, 1 single crochet, and here we will have 6 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I will let you continue with the same pattern. Fill in 3 chains, 1 single crochet, 3 chains, and all the pineapple will be 6 chains. Okay, so follow this pattern to the end, of this side, using this same pattern here to along to the end, and I will see you at the end here. Okay, not here, not the beginning side, but the middle side. Okay, I'll see you here. We are at the other side of row 14. This is the end of one side. We will continue after filling this loop with 2 sets of 3 double crochet caster and 4 chains. We will continue with 6 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and go to this big loop for 3 single crochet. 1 2 3. Put it in the middle. Continue with 6 chains, 3 4 5 6, and fill in this loop with 3 double crochet cluster, 4 chains, and another 3 double crochet cluster. Continue with 5 chains, 2 3 4 5, and go to the pineapple loop for single crochet. 4 chains, 1 single crochet into loop. Continue with 4 chains, 1 single crochet into loop, 4 chains, 1 single crochet into loop, 4 chains, 3 4, 1 single crochet into loop, 4 chains, and 1 single crochet into the last loop. Continue with 5 chains. Fill in the loop with 3 double crochet cluster, 4 chains, and another 3 double crochet cluster. Okay, now we come to this 8 chains loop. We will have 4 chains, 4 chains, and 1 single crochet in the loop. Okay, and 4 chains. Fill in this loop with 3 double crochet cluster, 1 2 3. Okay, put it aside. 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, and another 4 double crochet cluster into the same loop, 2 3, 3 double crochet cluster. Then we continue with 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 chains. Go to the pineapple loop with single crochet, and then we continue with 4 chains, 1 single crochet to form the pineapple. 2 3 4 chains and 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 chains and single crochet, 3 4 chains and 1 single crochet, 4 chains, 1 single crochet into this last loop, and then continue with 5 chains, and I will let you continue to fill in this side. Then to fill in the loop as the pattern here, the other side, like the other side. Okay, just continue up to the end, and then I will see you there. We are at the end of row 14. We just finished it. This is the last 2 sets of 3 double crochet cluster with 4 chains. Now we continue with 6 chains. And we go to the big loop, the 10 chains loop for 3 single crochet. 3 single crochets, okay, in the middle, and then we continue with 6 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we fill in the loop with 3 double crochet cluster. Two chains and 1 half double crochet join on top of first cluster. Continue with 3 chains, 2 double crochet into loop for cluster, this is row number 15. Okay, continue with 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the pineapple loop for single crochet. Continue with 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 single crochet into loop, 4 chains, 1 single crochet into loop. Just continue with 4 chains, 1 single crochet into loop, 4 chains, 1 single crochet into loop, 4 chains. Okay, this is 5 chains because the pineapple is finished, so we go for 5 chains and fill in 3 double crochet cluster into loop, 4 chains, and another 3 double crochet into loop, into the same loop, 3 double crochet cluster. Here we will have 6 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, and 1 double crochet on top of single crochet, 1 double crochet, okay, and 6 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, and fill in the loop with 3 double crochet cluster, 2, 3, 4 chains, another 3 double crochet cluster into the same loop, okay, and then 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, go to the pineapple loop for pineapple, 4 chains, 1 single crochet, 4 chains to form the pineapple, 1 single crochet into loop, 4 chain, 1 single crochet into loop, 4 chains, 1 more single crochet into the last loop, 5 chains, fill in the loop with 3 double crochet cluster, 4 chains, another 3 double crochet cluster into the same loop, here we will have 4 chains, 3, 4 and 1 double crochet on top of single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fill in the loop here with 3 double crochet cluster, 4 chains, another 3 double crochet cluster into the same loop, here we start the 6 chains for pineapple. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chains, 1 single crochet into pineapple loop, 4 chains and 1 single crochet into loop. Just continue with 4 chains, 1 single crochet, 4 chains into loop, single crochet always into loop, 4 chains, single crochet into loop, and continue with 6 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll let you continue with the same pattern. Go through along side to the other side, along to the other side with this pattern, okay, go to this side, yeah, this pattern, only 6 chains here, don't forget, and I will see you at the end of this side, okay? We are at the other side of row 15. Now, after fill in this 3 double crochet cluster, 2 sets and 4 chains, we just continue with 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chains, and then we have treble crochet to the first single crochet stitch, treble crochet, and then we continue with 4 chains and another treble crochet, join with the middle stitch, middle single crochet stitch, here 4 chains, 1 more treble crochet to this last stitch of single crochet, and then 6 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fill in the loop with 3 double crochet cluster, just like the other side. 4 chains and 1 more 3 double crochet cluster, into the same loop, 5 chains, I will let you continue to do the pineapple, and then you go along this side with the same pattern like the other side. Okay, yeah, exactly same pattern like the other side, and I will see you at the end of row 15.